Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 Unity Paracord community. Today we're gonna create this awesome Paracord keychain using the red paracord and the gray paracord with this keyring. The original design for this DNA pattern came from JD Lenzen of the Tie It All Up Together, and the inspiration for this project I had from my friend Tim over the Weavers of Eternity. So go ahead and check the JD Lenzen Tie It All Together and the Team Weavers of Eternity accounts. And now we're gonna take the red paracord by the ends of it and we're gonna pull it to find the center. And now from here I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and we're gonna take the ring and the paracord and we're gonna insert the paracord into the ring from the top side like so. And from here we can create either the cow's hitch or the slingstone hitch. It's all up to you. I'm gonna use for this project the slingstone hitch. It's more firm and create the better bond between your ring and the paracord projects. So with the right strand cord, as you can see here, we're gonna make it around and from the back through the loop like so. And with the left strand cord we're gonna make it around and from the back through the loop, and we're gonna pull it to cinch it and make it tighter like so. Now from here we need to measure around 5 to 6 inches for our keychain. It's all up to you. Here I think it's enough. You can measure with the ruler. And now we're gonna take this end here and we're gonna create the right side cobra knot. So take this right strand cord, make it on top of those two cords, and then with the left strand cord make it on top of this right strand cord, and then around and from the back through the loop here like so. So from the top into the loop here on the right side, and from this side from the back through the loop on the left, and we're gonna pull it by the ends to make it tight and even. Now pull it and secure these two loops here. And from here we have the first cobra with the red paracord. Now we're gonna create the second cobra with the gray paracord. So take the right strand cord and make it on top of those two red cords, and then with the left one on top of the right, around and from the back through the loop here, and pull. Now take the red cord and make it on top of those two reds, and with the left strand on top of the red one here, around and from the back through the loop. Now the gray cord, and we're gonna continue all the way by creating the right side cobra knot. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family, and of course if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya, bye.